Hello students, today I just want to show you how you can share your link to your new ePortfolio website. And it's just important to remember that you can't just copy the link and share the actual edited file, because that will allow everybody and anybody to be able to edit your file if you give them access. So the best way to share the link is you need to publish the website. Even if you haven't finished it yet, just click the word publish here. And then you'll need to name your website. I would name it your name, or put your name and your class number. For example, student name. Don't call it student name, of course, but you can put your name there. And then once you hit publish, this little area here will light up, and then you can just copy that link. And then it's just a simple matter of going into the form and then adding your link here. So I'll just give you the example how to do that. Here you have what is your name, what is your Google link, just paste there. And there's your ePortfolio link. That is the best way to do it. That way we will get a Google spreadsheet with your name, your ePortfolio link. Remember to share it to your teacher. I'll just go back and just show you how to do that. When we get to there, not that one. Okay, how to share it is quite easy when we get to it. Oh, there we go. That one. Share it here. Click, and then you can share the site with all your teachers. So I hope you find that very useful. Thank you. Bye.